For the voiceover part, click the voiceover room. Or you can also click the capture button. Then, click on microphone icon that says capture from a microphone. But this time, we are going to use the voiceover room. You should have a microphone for this one to record your own voice. For better and clearer recording, the volume should be at the highest level, and when you utter the words, make sure that people will understand it. Whenever you are ready, click on the record button and start recording your own voice. This is the record button. When you click on the stop button, your voice will be automatically saved and included on the track manager, specifically on the voice track. It is better to record per paragraph of the article so that when you make a mistake, you don't have to start from the very beginning. You are given the option to trim your voice for editing purposes. Click on the voice file and click Trim. On the bottom of the Trim audio window, you will see several icons. Find the Mark In and Mark Out commands. These commands will indicate which part of your voice record will be included. So here, I will mark in to signal the start and mark out to signal the end of the voice record. As you can observe, the shaded parts are the ones that will be removed once you click OK. But before you do that, you can play the output file to make sure that you included only the correct voice over. So if you think your voice over is good to go, click OK. Do the same with the rest of the voice-over files. Just click on the file and click Trim. And once you finish editing all the voice-over files, you can now proceed to adding animation effects to your video presentation. Now we will add some animation effects on your video presentation. So click one title and modify it. Next to the tab of Modification for Text Properties is the Animation Effect. Click on the first main key point and then you can choose the type of animation effect the first main key point will have for the starting effect and ending effect. This time, we don't need to have an ending effect since we are just going to present the main key points. Just click on the More tab. I will choose the glow effect and I will do the same to the rest of the main key points. You can control when the animation would start by adjusting the scroll bar found at the bottom of the Title Designer window. The blue color indicates when the main key point would appear and the orange color indicates when the animation effect would be shown. Remember that we have recorded our voice a while ago. You can synchronize the appearance of the main key point with your voice. All you need is just to adjust the scroll bars and to preview the presentation. Once the main key point has synchronized with the voiceover, do the same with the others. Once you think that your video is good to go, preview it for the last time, just to make sure that no errors were made. Then click Produce to convert the video into a movie file. You will be asked to choose on what format you would like your video to be. We prefer the MPEG-2 format, but you can also choose your video to be an AVI or MPEG-1 format. Then, select where you want your video to be saved and what your video title will be. Then click OK. Select Dolby Digital 5.1 for better audio quality, and select Enable Preview during video production to monitor the progress of the video. Click Start to begin processing your video. Once the video processing is done, you now have your video presentation ready to be uploaded on YouTube.